In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the parking brake shoes on your Buick Enclave. These will be located behind the rear rotor. Let's get started. Using a 22mm socket, remove the 6 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 21mm socket, remove the 2 bolts for the caliper. Remove the bolts, pull the caliper off of the rotor. We're going to put this on top. Make sure it's sitting somewhere where there's no tension on the brake hose and make it so it can't fall off. Using a T30 bit, remove the rotor screw. Remove the rotor. We're going to remove the bottom spring. Going to use a right angle pick. We're going to get behind the spring. Pop it out of place. Push it towards the other side. Pop it out. Do the same thing on the top. Remove the adjuster. Using a pair of pliers, we're going to hold this cap. We're going to push straight down. We're going to twist, put it in the unlock position, and remove the lock. Remove the spring. Our shoe is frozen to this bottom bracket. Give it a good wiggle. Do the same thing on the other side. Go around and clean all the contact points for the shoes. We also want to clean inside of the bracket where our 2 shoes are going to sit. Put a skim coat of grease on all of the contact points. And a slight amount on the bracket. Install the shoe. Get it seated into our bottom bracket. I have our spring and our clip. Get it over the pin. Give it a 1/4 turn of a twist and lock it into place. Do the same thing on the other side. We're going to remove the tip. Just going to put a little bit of grease inside of there. Reinstall, move it around, work the grease around. Install the adjuster. Be sure that it is threaded all the way in. Install the bottom spring. Get it installed into one side. Install the top spring. Install the rotor. Install the rotor screw. Kind of lightly snug it down. Clean the old thread locker off of the caliper bracket bolts. Put a bit of new thread lock on the bolt. Pull the caliper down. Install it onto the rotor. Get the bolt started. Snug the bolts down. Torque the caliper bracket bolts to 129 foot-pounds. Install the wheel. Get all the lug nuts started. Go around and snug down all of the nuts. Torque the lug nuts in a star pattern to 140 foot-pounds. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.